Alright, let's talk about how we can add a new row or a new column on Excel. Now, sometimes assuming I want to add a row here, so sometimes I have to click and click on insert. Then if I want to add another one, I have to click and click on insert. Then if I want to add a new row, I will click here and then click on insert. So this is a way I can add row. So you can see here. But I just want to give you a short way of getting this done. So if you are using on laptop, that means you're using a small keyboard that is not complete keyboard. So if you want to add a remove row here, like you can see here, remove one row here. So if it is here you want to remove row, so you click Ctrl and minus. That is Ctrl and minus on your keyboard. If you press Ctrl and minus, that keep removing the row for you. Then if you want to add, you click on Ctrl and plus sign. But remember, if you are, that's when you're using a complete keyboard, a standard keyboard. But if you are using a laptop keyboard, you just need to press Ctrl and Shift and plus sign. So this is going to be adding a new row for you. So the same thing, if you are on this side, do the same thing. Click on Ctrl and minus to remove, and then click on Ctrl Shift and plus to add if you are using laptop. S, if you are not using laptop, just press Ctrl and plus. That's going to be adding if you're using a complete external keyboard. S, if you want to add, Control and Shift, and that is the way you can add or remove a column or row on Excel. Very easy and fast without you having to right click like this and then go to insert. Yeah.